Hello student, welcome to Math Master Plus in nice, radical and short tricky math Olympiad problem. We are starting the solution of this question. Don't skip any part of video, watch video till end. This is very important question. First we let 3 into minus 1 is equal to x. X is equal to minus 1 into 3 is equal to minus 1 into 1 divided by 3. X into power 3 is equal to minus 1 into 1 divided by 3 into 3. This 3 cut by this. X into 3 is equal to minus 1. So x into 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. And this will be a cube plus b cube. After applying this formula, a into 3 plus b into 3 is equal to a plus b into a square b minus ab plus b square. X plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. This will be x is equal to minus 1. And this side, this will be x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to 1. We apply this formula. X is equal to minus b into plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. After applying this formula, we get value minus into minus 1 plus minus 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 1. And overall, after calculation, this will be minus into minus plus 1. X is equal to 1 plus minus 1 minus 4 into 1 into 1 4 divided by 2. X is equal to 1 plus minus under root 3 divided by 2. This will be x is equal to 1 plus minus under root 3 iota divided by 2. X is equal to 1 plus under root 3 iota. X is equal to 1 minus under root 3 iota. This is our final answer of this mathematical problem. Thank you for watching video. This is very simple question. First we let x is equal to 3 into minus under root minus 1 and x is equal to 3 into under root minus 1 is also equal to minus 1 into 1 divided by 3. X cube is equal to minus 1 into 1 divided by 3 into 3 multiplied by 3. This 3 cut by this remain 1 minus 1. X cube is equal to minus 1. X cube plus 1. This move into this side. This sign change negative into positive. Plus 1 is equal to 0. We use this formula, algebraic formula. After applying this formula, we get two sides. First we solve this side. This is our x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1. X square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. And now we putting this formula. After putting this formula, we get value. And also simplify these values, we get answer x is equal to 1 plus minus under root 3 iota divided by 2. Hope you will understand. If you have any question or suggestion, please write in comment box. Goodbye.